Hello viewers, welcome to Raxio Hour. This week's episode features Andrew Kabeera, who doubles as the Executive Director and Chief Operating Officer of Post Bank Uganda. Post Bank Uganda is a public company limited by shares and formed under the Public Enterprises Reform and Divestiture Statute of 1983 and the Uganda Communications Act 1997. It was incorporated in the Companies Act in 1998 and is a commercial bank in Uganda, licensed and supervised by the Bank of Uganda, the country's central bank and national banking regulator. We had a chat with Andrew regarding Post Bank's recently acquired Tier 1 banking license and more in the tech and banking sector. Here is what he had to say.
My name is Andrew Kabeera. I'm the Executive Director and the Chief Operating Officer of Post Bank Uganda Limited. Post Bank is now a Tier 1 financial institution, and that means a lot for us as a bank. We are able to offer all products just like any other commercial bank. For example, we shall be at the clearing house, we shall be able to be at the interbank. A number of products that we are not able to offer initially, we shall be able to give them to our customers. Banking is evolving, it's been driven by technology. I would say that now banks are technology companies offering financial services. So technology is impacting banking in a big way because whatever we do now, customers would want it fast, efficient, friendly, and technology gives you that kind of capability. As Post Bank, we've been doing a lot. For example, in the last 1.5 years, most of our customers were transacting over the counter. I would say 9 out of 10 customers would come to our branches. As we talk, out of the 10, only 3 come to the branches. So it means that technology is driving the way we behave as consumers, and to that effect, Post Bank is looking at even enhancing more of our technology capabilities. We've, for example, launched intelligent ATMs where you can deposit cash now. You can do cardless, withdrawals over the ATMs. A couple of things we're trying to do, but also revamping the whole infrastructure of the bank. My view about outsourcing data centers is actually relevant in terms of the specialization as banks. Like I mentioned, banks are looking at revamping and improving customer experience through technology. So you want to really focus on those items that do impact customers and not focus on non-critical items of the bank. For example, a data center requires generators, transformers, UPSs, ISPs, and those are not the core functions of serving customers as a bank. So what you do, you can outsource a data center and you let those who have expertise in such run for you such activities. Because we are not electricians, and yet a data center requires high levels of specialization in terms of power. So it makes sense to outsource such activities.
Tell us, who is Andrew Kabeera outside Post Bank?
Okay, interesting question. Who is Andrew Kabeera? Andrew Kabeera is a father of 4, married to 1 wife, or 1 woman for that matter. And I've done banking all my life, so it's really hard even to separate myself from banking. But outside banking, I like swimming, I like reading, mostly technology, stuff. I like music, loud music at that, it kills my stress. I also like a beer, I should say that as well. Yeah, so that's who I am.
We do appreciate your time, Andrew. Raxio Data Center congratulates Post Bank upon your milestone. Thank you viewers for tuning in to Raxio Hour. Do have a lovely weekend.